Okay, so we're just about to do fireworks. We're about. That's the firework we're doing first. Okay, we're about to go outside. Okay, we're outside. It's pretty dark, so I look very, very. Okay, we're about to light the firework.
Make sure you get. Oh, I don't need my flashlight now, so I'm gonna do short videos.
Okay, I'm recording as well. Oh wow, that was big firework.
Move. Did that scare the shit out of you or what? Probably would have been smart to move that gas propane thing.
That was the first firework. Okay, I'm about to go pick another firework. We just did that one. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna open this big thing of fireworks. I don't know if we're doing them all tonight or some tomorrow, but I'm opening this big. Okay, I'm sorry, the light is so bright. I was outside and it's very dark. Okay. Plus, there's a light behind me.
You need help opening that?
Yeah, my mom's here to help me open.
Watch out.
So, sorry it was so bright at the beginning. It's because we were outside and I had to have the whole thing lit up. But, yeah. So,
You're garbage.
okay, I'll pause the video after we pick one. Okay, so I think I want to do this one. There it is. Okay.
Snappers could be less.
It's called Friendship Fountain. Okay, let's go and do it. I'm gonna quickly turn on the light to that after when we go outside. So it's called Friendship Fountain. I'm pretty sure it just does that, but I don't know.
Coco, you can hear this?
Okay, we're about to go do the next firework. Be right back.
Goalie!
Okay, guys,
I
it's
need mine.
almost. Oops. Okay, we're about to light the next firework. There's a bunch of fireworks going around, so don't mind if you hear any background. So I'm about to step away because I don't want to get burned. And yeah, we're about to light the next fireworks, so this video might be kind of long, but I'm not sure. Okay. Oh wow, that was cool. Oh, that was very short. But
Can you go pick more?
I'm about to go pick another one. Okay, I can't turn down the brightness because it takes a couple seconds to do. So I think I'm gonna go for Golden Flower Fountain. Golden Flower Fountain. Okay, so I picked one and we're about to light it. I picked Golden Flower Fountain. Okay, so we're about to do another fountain. One.
Open them and everything.
So, yeah, we're about to do another. I'm sorry if you can't see it, and I don't know how this footage is coming out because I'm seeing the fireworks. I don't know if you are, so if you aren't, I'm sorry. But we're about to light another firework.
I think I'm gonna get a fidget spinner.
Wow, you're rude. Okay, I'm back. Oh.
The first one was very loud.
Woo. That's nice.
Little box of match.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go pick another.
You know that I look
So yeah.
3 days
You're...
for safety guard.
Okay. I'm about to pick another. There are a bunch of fireworks. Like, I'm probably gonna keep large friendship for maybe last. I want to do this. It's called Party Poppers. Okay. Not the Party Poppers. Okay. Pick another one. Party Popper.
Why are you putting the small one?
Oh, wow. They're colorful. Those are cool. Okay. Well, I picked Party Popper. And we're about to light it. Woo-hoo. My mom lighting it right now. Move, move, move. Oh.
I think it's gonna pop in a second.
What? That was lame.
That was a dud.
That was lame. That was lame. That was pretty lame. I don't know if you guys are...
Go get another one.
Okay, that was pretty lame. Didn't go off at all. She's not touching that one. I'm about to pick another. And I think I'm gonna go upsize instead of downsize again. Because these are pretty lame. Party Poppers aren't too cool. They don't really do much. I'm gonna go for this one called Zen Master. I feel like this one will be a pretty big explosion. Zen Master. I feel like it will be a pretty big explosion. Here you go. And it's pretty big. So I think it will be a pretty big explosion. But I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. Like, I thought Party Popper would be popping, but it didn't. So, it didn't pop at all. But, yeah. Oh, wow. That was big. Okay. Yep. It's about to light it. I want to go somewhere else so that I can get better view. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Okay.
Up, down there, you're more level.
Can you do something before I light it?
Sit down in the chair in the car.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Hold on. We're about to light it. Your camera shut off. That's pretty cool.
That's bright and lame.
That was pretty cool. Now, yeah. Now I'm going to go pick another firework. I don't know which one. There's a improbable or something. Improbable. I don't know what it's called. I don't know how to pronounce that. But yeah, improbable. We're about to light it. Yeah.
Where's the... Oh, I gotta open it.
I'm gonna quickly sit down. Can't sit. I'm about to light it. And there's like a lot of fireworks going on.
No.
Pretty loud ones.
Are you ready?
Uh-huh. Ooh, it almost fell. I'm gonna go a little closer. Right there. Alright, just so you guys can see. Oh, that's pretty cool. Actually, that was pretty lame.
Why are they so...
Ooh! And they kind of stink. That's okay. No, I don't know why I keep closing the screen door. I need to keep coming in here. I'm gonna go for Imaginafent. I don't know how to pronounce that either. But, yeah. Imaginafent or something.
What?
Imaginafent or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Where are you going?
Right here. Okay. Okay. So. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Move, quick. Oh, wow. Oh, miss. Okay, that one was pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see any of these fireworks, but
Look at all the smoke.
I'll look up
Huh?
footage. I keep shutting the screen door.
They had a special thing.
Next, I want to go for a enchantric firework now. Alrighty. So this is the firework I got. I know you can't see it, but it's pretty tiny. So yeah, it's pretty tiny, but
This is just like the last one we did.
it might be better.
Light a couple at a time.
You want to?
No.
Go grab another one?
No.
Like another one this size?
No, there's not another one that size. Okay. We're about to.
Do that,
Okay, we're about to light it.
Huh?
Whoa! Oh. That was actually the coolest one. I'm pretty sure that's like the coolest one out of all of them. I'm gonna go pick another one. Be right back. Okay. Okay, this is the one. You go.
Oh, no. This one we have the video. Definitely.
About to. Video. We need a very bright light for this.
Ready? This is a good one.
Alright. Okay, I got a little more light. And we're good to go. I almost fell down the stairs.
Right. This one spins and everything.
Okay, I might. Alright. We're doing a really, really cool one.
Wait, what you say? Well, you got it so close to the car.
Is this good? Is this good? Is this good? I'm just gonna stay right here. Okay.
When it starts coming close to you, move up. Hold on, not done. smoking.
You should have just got 3 of those and lit them at once.
What was the flame?
Blue fire.
It's supposed to be spinning.
I didn't get that.
Oh, it looked like Michael Jackson.
I didn't get that. I'm sorry to all the people who are watching this with headphones. I'm so sorry to all the people who are watching this with headphones.
Yeah. Adrian, go grab another one.
My ears hurt.
How much is that one for?
My ears. Midnight move. Sorry to all the people. Okay, I'm gonna put a headphone warning. Don't watch this with headphones. My ears hurt. And I didn't get that last part, sorry. But I'm about to pick another firework. Yeah, I blocked my dad's face because he don't want it to be on camera. Oh my god, my ears. I did not get that. I didn't get that. Like, I really didn't. I'm not sure which ones I want to do.
Which of them?
I'm gonna do what?
It's up in these things.
We're going to do this thing. Ooh. I picked out this one. It's called Flower Power.
Oh, sorry.
It's called Flower Power. Also, sorry to all the people who were wearing headphones, and I didn't get the last part, but my mom did.
And then we're gonna do one of these, and then we're gonna wrap it up for the night.
Aww.
Wow.
I'm hungry. Are you gonna stop recording?
So we're about to do the last 2. We might do some tomorrow night. My ears hurt after that one. I'm pretty sure your ears do too. I ran, so you didn't get to see the last part. But my mom does have the last part, so I might post her video as well. Might post her video as well.
Uh-oh, those are UFOs and aliens.
Oh, those are cool. Okay, now we're lighting another.
Giant fireflies.
My ears hurt, and I'm sure your ears hurt too.
This one was a cool one.
I hope you weren't wearing headphones while watching this, but
I got scared because it started shooting towards the gas.
okay.
Oh.
The lighter.
You break my lighter, dude.
Run. It's a cool. Is it done?
I don't know. You wait a minute. I think it's done.
Okay, it's done. Okay, that was pretty cool. Now we're doing another probably very, very loud one. So I wanted earplugs, but we cannot find any earplugs.
I'm gonna face it this way so she said the
Eyes and
eyes
mouth
light
will
up.
light up. Okay, so I'm getting ready to plug my ears. Can you see? Okay, I'm gonna back up more. Ah! It's already lighting up. Looks like a demon. I don't think it's loud. So I'm coming back over. That's definitely a demon. It's definitely a demon. Tandrio needs to come and slay this. Because that is definitely a demon. It's laughing and everything. Okay, that one was pretty cool. That was the last one. Trying to see if we can get any of the other
You want to
fireworks.
pick one last one, Adrian, and be quick.
Okay, I'm gonna go
That's
pick
it.
one.
I'm very hungry.
Last one. So, I'm not gonna sure the dog's not here. My ears are still bleeding. They weren't actually bleeding, but yeah. I'm gonna pick this one. It's called Mini Fountain, and that sounds cool. Okay. Okay. I got one.
No.
I got Mini Fountain.
There was a Mr. Clean guy walking across the sky.
Mini Fountain. Sorry for all your eardrums. Next time, if we get one of those fireworks, we will make sure to put a headphone warning in the description and in the video. So, yeah. It's 9:46. Okay, guys. Next firework. Last one. That's not mini. That's not mini. Yes, that is. That was pretty big, though. Okay, guys. Well, that was all for today's video. I'm gonna end it inside. I'm gonna go upstairs and end this maybe. I'm gonna turn down the brightness so your eyes don't bleed. Even though they probably already have. I'm gonna go upstairs and quickly make the outro. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, guys. So, since we're done outside with the fireworks, I'm gonna get changed and I'm going to start going to bed after doing my teeth. And yeah, and I have a special person to end the with. That's my rat. Can you see him? Yeah, you can. Hi, bud. That's Ratatouille. Yeah, he's very sweet. I don't know if you can see him. Hey, babies. Hold on. Let me open this cage so you can see him better. Alright. Hi, baby. Oh, by the way, I got new nails. New acrylics. I don't know if you can see. Okay, that's better. Alright. So there he is. He's very sweet. Oh, baby. Oh, he kissed me. You're so sweet. Oh, he's tired. Okay. Well, that's our special guest. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, make sure to like, comment. I don't know if you can comment, like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. If you want. You don't have to, obviously. You don't have to. But that's it for today's video. Bye, mushrooms. Roll the outro.
Når helgen nærmer seg, spør alle hva jeg gjør da. Jeg hitter kløben som om hverdag var en